Lesson 9, short O sound. The sound is ah, ah. Spelling pattern number 1, consonant plus O plus consonant. Dog, spot. Number 2, O plus consonant. Ostrich, ox. Number 3, WA, watch, waffle. Number 4, A, father, spa. The consonant plus O plus consonant. Dock, dock. Holiday, holiday. Lodge, lodge. Possible, possible. Stock, stock. Spot, spot. Upon, upon. Honest, honest. Bomb, bomb. Doctor, doctor. Block, block. Jog, jog. Golf, golf. Comment, comment. Novel, novel. Right? Okay, next one. O plus consonant. October, October. Ostrich, ostrich. Oxygen, oxygen. Ox, ox. Octopus, octopus. Oscar, Oscar. Octagon, octagon. Occupy, occupy. Optical, optical. Optimum, optimum. Option, option. Olive, olive. Opera, opera. Opposite, opposite. Obvious, obvious. Okay. All right. WA, wasp, wasp. Watch, watch. Waffle, waffle. Wallet, wallet. Wash, wash. Swamp, swamp. Swallow, swallow. Swat, swat. Swan, swan. Swap, swap. Quadrant, quadrant. Quality, quality. Squad, squad. Squash, squash. Iguana, iguana. Right? A, aha, aha. Father, father. Lava, lava. Ha, ha. Blah, blah. Mama, mama. Papa, papa. Grandpa, grandpa. Grandma, grandma. Drama, drama. Bra, bra. Almond, almond. Calm, calm. Palm, palm. Psalm, psalm. Latte, latte. Pasta, pasta. taco, taco. Llama, llama. Plaza, plaza. Yacht, yacht. Spa, spa. Garage, garage. Massage, massage. Karate, karate. Okay, exemptions: knowledge, knowledge. Bureaucracy, bureaucracy. Genre, genre. Entree, entree. Rendezvous, rendezvous. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur. Bourgeois, bourgeois. Lingerie, lingerie. Sergeant, sergeant. Sentence practice number 1. During the conference, John borrowed Don's yacht to enjoy the spa in his condo. 2. Zoology and biology have a lot of things in common. 3. Robert will not apologize for washing the octopus in the swamp. 4. Bravo! Your novel about the optimistic koala eating olive leaves and avocado shows promise. 5. I watched as my iguana swatted a wasp with its palm and swallowed it. 6. Bob is confident that he makes the best pasta in the main plaza. 7. My father calmly listens to the barrage of complaints from my mom as she massaged his arm in the garage. 8. Stop mocking me about the reason why I prefer golfing to jogging. Actual practice 1. Tom, cop. 2. Not possible. 3. Opposite block. 4. Father option. 5. Llama iguana. 6. Pond swamp. 7. God top. 8. Shop doll. 9. Drop fox. 10. Pot hot. Homework number 1. E, I, A, a, ah. Okay. Number 2. Bob is confident that he makes the best pasta in the main plaza.